If I did not understand,
All right, he can be excused. Thank you.
Don't insult me.
All right, can we set this for a jury trial?
You're ganging up on me. I'm going, but don't insult me, sir.
Shout at people. Let's not raise our voices. Here's the thing. If an attorney is telling you what the state is offering, all you have to do, if you don't want to accept the offer, just say you don't want to accept it, say you want a jury trial.
Oh, buckle up, because the tension in this courtroom is already spiking and we're only 7 seconds in. Watch how fast this goes from calm to courtroom chaos.
And you'll get a jury trial. But your attorney can't make the state offer you something that you want them to offer you.
It's not what, no. So it's not what they offer. It's what you're lying on and trying to give me. And I know what it was an argument.
Okay, so here's the
argument. It was an argument.
Then it means you need a jury trial. That's what you're saying. You want a jury trial.
It was an argument between me and my relative.
All right, let me ask you, who's the prosecutor on this case?
On extra names onto the case. She added extra names on the, wait a minute. You're talking to me. You're talking to me.
Are you the prosecutor on the case?
You're talking to me. You said John, you just said John Moore,
Are you planning on dismissing these charges? All right, so it sounds like they're going to want a jury trial. Are you planning on offering something different than you've already offered? All right, so is your client going to accept anything or no?
Quick check for the audience. The judge is basically explaining the golden rule of plea deals. You can refuse any offer, but you cannot force the state to give you a better one. Fair or unfair? Drop your vote in the comments.
He has just informed me, we talked last night, but he informed me this morning because of some of the particulars, he's not going to accept the agreement.
All right, so nothing will, it sounds as though you all are at an impasse. The state, you're saying that you're not going to offer anything differently. And defense, I'm assuming there's no counter offer, right?
No, at this I did. I made a counter offer to the state and they rejected it.
All right, so do you have all of the discovery?
I do have all of the discovery. If I could, the one thing with moving forward, and it started last night with these outbursts, I'm starting to have potentially some competency issues.
And here it is the moment the entire hearing shifts when defendants start interrupting or shouting over counsel. Judges instantly start evaluating whether the issue is attitude or competency. This is where things start unraveling.
I want to stop and pause before I make that decision, but I think I'll need to file a suggestion or motion that he needs to be evaluated for, I really can't communicate with him right now, Judge. And that's part of what I have to do to make sure he's competent.
All right, so is the communication issue, and I don't want to interfere with attorney-client privilege, but is the communication more of he's not accepting your advice or you don't believe he understands?
Sometimes I don't believe he truly understands.
I didn't understand, I would not respond.
Okay.
Don't insult me. If I did not understand,
all right, he can be excused. Thank you.
Don't insult me.
All right, can we set this for a jury trial?
You're ganging up on me. I'm going, but don't insult me, sir. So if I did not understand the case, I would not respond. You understand that?
Yeah. So let me just tell you, today is Monday. If anybody thought today was not Monday, let me just tell you, today is Monday.
Important note for viewers: when an attorney raises competency concerns, the whole case can slow to a crawl. The court must pause everything to make sure the defendant even understands what's happening. This is not a small step. This is a major legal fork in the road.
Yes.
And I just started seeing this last night.
Okay.
And I understand. I don't know when the court's going to reset me. I would have to file a motion at this stage on the competency issue, Your Honor.
I would have no objection to that because I've had those concerns myself since I reviewed this case.
All right.
Well, and it's for me, I hadn't seen it yet, but I saw it last night for the first time.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, they're going to file a motion to have him evaluated for competency. And I will say this is the first time I've seen him be this way since he's come to court. So
same with me.
All right. So what we'll do, Norma, if you can set this for the second week in December, and that's to make sure that everything has been filed.
Yes, I can do December 11th.
I will follow it this afternoon, and the second week of December is perfect for me. I live to snow ski, and I'm going to open it this year, the first week of December.
Okay.
So thank you, Your Honor, for that.
Excited when I remember people and know their name because they're doing so well. So I already know the answer, but I'm going to ask anyway. How are things going?
Well, you foresaw correctly, Judge. She's doing quite excellent in the program. I attended the docket where she had her last court setting with Judge Von Hell, and nothing but positive marks. She's completed everything, and she's made all her appointments, and she's completely compliant with medication and the like, Judge. So just waiting for graduation in December for her to repass this program. You know?
Oh, that is so awesome. I've noticed the difference in you from the first time I saw you to now. Keep up the good work, maintain your independence, right? So I will most definitely be at your graduation.
And just like that, the mood flips completely. We go from explosive courtroom drama to one of the most heartwarming progress updates on this channel. Wild contrast, but that's Judge Boyd's docket for you.
And I know you're going to do great things.
Thank you.
So I think is graduation on the, is it on the 9th?
19th.
19th. All right. So then what we'll do, we will set this, we'll set it for the 20th, even though I know we're not going to need that setting. Okay. So once you graduate, you can ignore the December 20th setting. Oh, because 20th is a Saturday. So I already know you're going to do great. But I tell you what, because graduation is at 9 a.m., we'll put this on, we'll put this on the 19th in the afternoon, although I know you're not going to need to be here, okay?
Okay.
That's just so you'll have a date and there'll be a date in the system. Right. So Norma, if you could recall her back for the 19th, and let's put it at 2
o'clock.
Yes. And you won't need to be here.
Okay.
But I will be at your graduation.
Yeah, thank you.
Awesome. Thank you, Judge.
I sound like Outcast. I will be at your graduation. All right. So we'll see you then. And thank you for being on time.
Thank you.
And thank you so much. And I'm so proud of you for doing all of the hard work, because I know it takes a lot to be vulnerable, accept the help, because there's such stigma that is attached to certain things. And I always say there should not be a stigma, because it's similar to if I had a broken arm. Okay. You know, nobody's going to say, oh my gosh,
Yeah.
such bad for you. So I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Appreciate
You're welcome. So once you sign the reset form, you're excused. What do you have planned for the rest of the day?
Focus.
This right here is why viewers love these rehabilitation cases. Seeing someone turn their life around and have a judge who genuinely supports their journey is the kind of positivity courtrooms don't get enough credit for.
I'm gonna pick up a shift for work today. I don't really have any plans today, so my manager just called me and he's like, you know, you can work.
So what time are they asking you to come work if you want to come work?
They said around 3.
Oh, well, enjoy the river walk then.
I'm glad we got her out early so she can enjoy the nice day and get to work and
Yes.
be productive. Yeah.
And also looking to schools. I'm gonna be planning to go to school next year.
What do you want to study?
I was thinking cosmetology, permanent makeup, tattooing with makeup.
Oh, that is awesome.
Yeah, you can tattoo scars and stretch marks and I think that'd be something.
That'll be great. Great. And I know there's some too for people who have who've had breast augmentation.
Yes.
So
Yes.
yeah. And they're always looking for people to do that.
Also, maybe tattoo removal judge, you know, so she can get into that and help people. So when they're looking for employment, you know. Yep.